Roblox adventures on hold because you can't join a game. Let's fix that frustrating error right now. First, a simple yet effective step: completely close the Roblox application. Make sure it's not running in the background on your computer or phone. On a computer, use Task Manager, usually accessible by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S to ensure Roblox and any related processes are fully closed. On mobile, swipe up from the bottom or double-tap the Home button to view open apps and swipe away Roblox. Next, verify your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is a common culprit. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength or try restarting your router. Now, head into your Roblox settings. You can usually find this by clicking on the gear icon in the upper corner of the Roblox screen, then selecting Settings. Once you are on Settings screen, click on the Privacy tab. Here, ensure that your Who Can Join Me in Experiences setting is not set to No One. Change it to Friends or Everyone. If the problem persists, a full system restart is always a good idea. This closes all programs and clears temporary files that might be interfering with Roblox. And that's it. Hopefully, these steps have helped you get back to playing your favorite Roblox games. Enjoy.